Welcome to the world of interactive displays for sports and fitness. These displays are changing the way people are tracking their progress and staying motivated to reach their goals. With the latest technology, you can now view your progress in real time and make adjustments to your workout plan on the spot. Interactive displays can be used to track your heart rate, calories burned, and other important metrics. You can also use them to monitor your sleep patterns and optimize your recovery time. The best part is that you can access all of this information right from your wrist, phone, or computer. Interactive displays can also be used to customize your workouts. You can set goals, track your progress, and adjust your plan to meet your needs. You can also compare your performance to others and challenge yourself to reach new heights. Interactive displays are also great for sports teams. You can track your team's performance and make sure everyone is on the same page. You can also use the displays to create drills and practice plans that are tailored to each player's individual needs. Interactive displays are revolutionizing the way we track our progress and stay motivated. They give us the tools we need to reach our goals and the data we need to make informed decisions. So if you're looking to take your fitness and sports performance to the next level, look no further than interactive displays.